Okay, now in those passages, Jesus mentions two kinds of peace.
Šajā pantā Jēzus pasaka par divu veidu
He
mieru.
says, I'm going to give you my peace.
Viņš saka, es došu savu mieru jums.
He says, my peace is a different kind of peace than the kind of peace the world gives.
Un mans miers ir citādāks nekā tas, ko pasaule var dot.
Now, and this is something that's very important for us to understand. There are two kinds of peace.
Un tas ir ļoti svarīgi, lai mēs saprotam, ka ir divu veidu
God's
miers.
peace
Dieva miers
and the world's peace.
un pasaules miers.
Okay? Now, if you look at chapter 16
Tagad 16. nodaļā
and you read it,
izlasiet.
and I'll read it, okay?
Es izlasīšu.
Jesus says, these things I have spoken to you,
Jēzus saka, to jums esmu runājis,
that in me you
Lai-
may have peace.
lai manī jums būtu miers.
In the world you will have tribulation,
Pasaulē jums būs bēdas,
but be of good cheer.
bet turiet drošu prātu.
I have overcome the world.
Es pasauli esmu uzvarējis.
Now, if anybody else were to say to you,
Ja kāds jums teiks,
you know,
zini,
who should I pick on?
ko es izvēlos?
Susanna?
Suzana?
Susanna,
Suzana,
in this world,
šajā pasaulē
you're going to have troubles,
tev būs nepatikšanas,
but be glad about it.
bet priecājies.
You would think I was crazy, right?
Tu domātu, ka es esmu traks, vai ne?
Hey, in this world,
Šajā
you're
pasaulē
going to have troubles.
tev būs
You're going
bēdas.
to have troubles.
Tev arī,
You're going to have trouble.
tev arī.
But that's okay.
Bet tas nekas.
Be of good cheer.
Turiet drošu prātu.
You would think I'm crazy.
Jūs domājat, ka es esmu traks.
But now, who is this that's saying that?
Bet kas to saka?
Jesus.
Tas ir Jēzus.